Sometimes, I wonder how life would be if the pandemic never happened. Would there still be us, spending time together inside the four corners of our office? The us entirely taking photographs that we'll probably soon look at. The us embracing each other, throwing puns, and laughing as loud as we can on jokes that at times only few could actually understand. Would there still be us, in circle, praying fervently together? The us making light moments that could live massive academic stress off. The us listening eagerly to each other's stories of how we stumbled and stood right after. The us sharing even the little amount of food that we have on the table. Skapatak is what we call it. The us, both teaching and learning to sing hymns for Him. Would there still be us, finding joy in the name of service? Change is immensely felt, from get-togethers to random encounters, from physical meetings to virtual windows, from sound of loquacious mouths to solemn surroundings. As our hearts long for the old times, and as we close our eyes to reminisce, as we imagine the what-ifs and what could have beens, we just find ourselves holding firm on our faith, to what is to come, the growth, the better days, and to what He has promised.